Hello students, today we are going to solve this problem which is from class 10 subject chemistry and chapter is carbon and its compounds. So the question given here is draw the structures of the following compounds. Compounds given here are first is ethanoic acid, second is bromopentane, third is butanol and fourth one is hexanol. Okay, and the other part of the question asks that are structure isomers possible for bromopentane? Okay, so हम इसको solve करेंगे. First of all हमें structures draw करने हैं for all the four compounds. Okay, so first compound is ethanoic acid. First of all we will draw the structure for ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid, it is an acid. Okay, so it contains a carboxylic acid group. Its formula is CH3COOH. Okay, so let us draw the structure for this. Two carbon atoms, and on one carbon atom three hydrogen groups are attached, and on one carbon atom carboxylic acid group is attached. This is the structure for ethanoic acid. Okay, so let us draw the structure for second part of the question, that is bromopentane. Okay, so let us draw the structure for bromopentane. The formula for bromopentane is CH3CH2 CH2 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 Br. Okay, so there are three isomers possible for bromopentane. So let us draw the structure for the three isomers here. Okay, so there are how many carbon carbon atoms are there? 5 carbon atoms are there, and one is bromine group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbon atoms are there with attached bromine group. And on the first carbon atom 3 hydrogen atoms are there, and on second 2, that is CH2, then again CH2, again CH2, and again CH2, and one with bromine group. Okay, so this is the first structure for the first isomer of the bromopentane. And then let us draw the structure of another isomer of the bromopentane, that will be with 5 carbon atoms. Bromine is attached on the other carbon atom and all with the hydrogen atoms. Okay, hydrogen groups. Okay, so this will be the structure for second isomer of the bromopentane. Now let us draw the structure for the third isomer of bromopentane. So third isomer here will be 2, 3, 4 and 5 with the attached hydrogen atoms and bromine group. Bromine group is attached on the third carbon atom and all with the hydrogen groups. Okay, so this is the third. Okay, so let us also solve the sub part of the question, that is asked here that a structure isomers possible for bromopentane. So हमारा आंसर होगा, solution will be yes, structural isomers for bromopentane are possible. Structure isomer for bromopentane are possible. Okay, so हमने यहाँ three structure isomers का diagram show किया है. Then further we will solve the third sub part, that is structure of butanol. Okay, so structure of butanol is, its formula is CH3 CH2 COCH3. Okay, COCH3, that is a ketone group. Now let us draw the structure. There are 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms are there, and among which one is attached with the ketone group and others are attached with the hydrogen groups. Okay, so this will be our structure for the butanol. Okay, now fourth part is draw the structure for hexanol. Hexanol is an aldehyde, so its formula is CH3 CH2 hexane group, hex chain will be there. Okay, it will be CH3, 6 carbon atoms will be there, CH3, CH2, 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 again CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one will be aldehyde group, that is CHO. So let us draw the structure for this. Structure for hexanal will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms, with the last one attached aldehyde group and the other attached with the hydrogen groups, right? So this is our structure for hexanal. And so I hope the answer is clear to you all. We have solved all the parts of the question. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.